You can see it. Alright, I'm here doing my first day filming with my first client. It's a beautiful day. Thank you, Lord. I'm so blessed. I'm so grateful. Yesterday for the Scorpio moon, I did end up getting emotional at one point because I worked all day yesterday. Yeah, I worked until close yesterday and I got overwhelmed because all week we've been having tech issues with the internet. It's been going slow, going in and out, all of that. Mercury retrograde, I guess, maybe, potentially, but yesterday it was the worst. Like, it was going in and out and it was going slow, and it just so happens that we were super busy yesterday, of course, so it was just like very frustrating. Thankfully the customers were understanding, but it was still really frustrating with it being busy and just the internet problems and all that. I just got overwhelmed. I just felt like rage come over me while I was at work. Now I was trying to keep it peaceful, you know, and not bring it to everyone else, but I was starting to just feel super emotional. There was one point where it was super busy and and the internet was going slow and I was having to apologize and there was a line and I was starting to feel myself get really overwhelmed and like drained and I felt like I could cry in that moment. And then I talked to my grandma too. My grandma ended up crying on the phone, which is different, you know, now that I think about it, that was different. She doesn't really cry, but she kind of cried about something that she's, you know, and that was like a nice, like, close little time for us. So everything is looking pretty okay, interesting right now today. Now I'm on my way home, and I feel good. I'm starving, but I feel really good. I just want to say I'm so grateful for life. I'm grateful for my grandma. I'm grateful for, like, my brother just called me.